Y'all, I've got another dish to prepare. And Michael and our friends Wendy and Robert, they're all sitting at the table eating baked spaghetti casserole. And so you'll hear them in the background. But I think they'll be happy that I'm over here in the kitchen making this because it's an easy breezy crab stew. Like I said, the last few videos I've done, it's been all about taste and easy. So this one is really good if you're looking for a quick crab stew. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is melt my butter. Y'all continue to talk. Y'all talk amongst yourselves. And I'm going to listen. Just remember language, Mikey, language. All right. When my butter melts, I'm going to saute these onions for probably 3 or 4 minutes, and just until they're like become translucent, kind of clear. I put this on the smallest eye on the stove. I don't know why I did that. All right. It's melted enough that I can go ahead and start the process of cooking those onions off. And I've got my crab meat. This is a lot of crab meat. Now, if you use lump crab, it's going to be so expensive. So quite often I will mix the claw and the lump together. Easy crab stew. All right. It calls for 2 cans of soup. One is a cream of potato, and the other one is cream of celery. I believe it is. Yep, cream of celery. Because normally if you were making crab stew, you would be sauteing onions and celery together, minced celery. So we're going to get our flavor from our soup. Okay, and this is cream of celery. I mean, this is one of those 5-minute dishes. Unless you have caught your crabs in the crab trap, it would take Michael hours and hours to get up this much crab meat. I mean, hours. And he knows how to pick some crabs. He can do it fast, but it's very labor intense. So fun to catch them, but labor intense. All right, so I'm going to add a soup can of half and half. Almost. I'll finish off with a little heavy cream. Didn't need but like 2 tablespoons. Okay, so there we go. All right, let's see. We're going to need a little salt and pepper. Language, Michael. There may be some children watching us. Okay. Just a little salt. And now I'm going to use a can full of milk. I smell that crab. Smell that crab. Now, you want to get this hot, you want it to just come to a boil. And you'll want to pick through your crab meat and make sure that you've removed all pieces of the shell. And an easy way to do this is to spread it out on a cookie sheet and put it in the oven for just a couple of minutes. And if it's got any shells on it, they'll turn bright pink or bright coral color. So you can just pluck them out that way. It makes it real easy. Our crab stew is basically ready. All I have to do is add the crab and the sherry. Now you can add your sherry to your pot, or you can put this in a little pitcher and let people pour it on top of their stew, whatever you want to do, however you want to do that. So how about if I just do a little sherry and leave some for those that want more? Got the messy spoon. Okay, so I'm gonna fold in our crab, and you want to do this rather gently because I don't like to break up my crab very much. It's amazing the flavors that you get out of those 2 cans of soup. Gives it all the flavor you need. So you can make this dish as easy as you want to or as hard as you want to. So today I'm picking the easy way because you know what? I want to join Michael and our friends over there. I want to hear what they're talking about because I'm nosy that way. All right, because I want to get this piping hot. And, I'm just funny that way. All right, now where's my hot sauce? There it is. I like my cold food cold, and I like my hot food hot. Now, I'm just going to top this with a little Parmesan cheese. And I think this is ready to serve. I hope I got it hot enough. I think I did. So I got 3 guinea pigs. All right, guinea pigs. I hope I got it hot enough. Pass that to Miss Wendy, please. Pass that to Miss Wendy.
Thank you.
And hot sauce.
Do you have any other good hot?
You better shut up, man, before I pop you. You know Paula Deen is the best hot sauce in town. All right, who wants more sherry? Because I didn't put all the sherry. I didn't put all the sherry in, so you can always add more if you like it.
This is good.
Thank you. 5-minute crab stew, Robert. Can't beat it, honey. I hope y'all enjoy that quick and easy recipe for crab stew. And as always, I send you love and best dishes from my home to yours. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.